Hey Brian, this is your bro again. Anyways, wanted to check out the garden. The next phase, we're working on the irrigation quite a bit. We've still got some of that square foot gardening, the boxes going, and they work out pretty good. They're just pretty expensive to set up. That's the biggest problem with them. You have to get all the soil and make the box, and it's very expensive, but the plants love it. So anyways, I wanted to show you the irrigation that I put in. So right here is our garden hose coming from our spigot, and it comes in through here, connects in with our automatic timer, and then a filter that takes out some of the chlorine, and then it connects with a closed loop half-inch water hose. And for the straw bale garden portion of our garden, what we did was put one line that loops, so it connects in. It would connect in right here, and then go all the way out there, back, and right back into here again, so that it maintains a constant pressure throughout that segment. And we would do another one for this line right here, and that goes all the way down to the end and back again. And we did the same thing with all the other straw bale, I don't know what you call this, a labyrinth, but it seems to work pretty good. Anyway, so right now we're just prepping the bales so that they can start decomposing. We're just getting them wet right now. And let's just turn on this auto water. See, okay, just to let you see how it works. You can hear all the emitters working. Let's see if you can see the water dripping. There's some water. And some of them that just are a little bit too excited, we cover it up with some hay like this. See that? I don't know why it's like that, but we just cover it up, and it kind of controls it then. Okay. You can also see that our leaves down here on the bottom are going to really take out all the weeds. We won't have to worry about weeds this year. And let's see, I also wanted to show you our boxes. So we'll just use probably some emitters like that, and they seem to work pretty good for just a box. See, and these are adjustable. You know, this right here can go in and out, so it can cover different size area. Anyways, the next part of the garden, as far as construction goes, I've got to finish up tubing these bigger boxes and all the other boxes with emitters. And then after that, I'm going to extend these poles, the middle poles. So this pole, that pole, and let's see, that pole right there. And one over here, another 4 feet. And then we're going to put some rope in between it and netting to cover that. And hopefully we can keep the birds and squirrels at bay. I don't think we'll stop them, but it'll help. And let's see, the other thing I want to do in this middle section right here, I'm going to create some more square foot gardening type boxes, and I'm going to try using some topsoil from a local nursery, because it's a lot cheaper. So I'll put that in this area right in here. And also, I kind of like these small boxes because they're really good for a single plant, like a tomato or a squash, which really take over everything. And these boxes are a little bit too big. I think I'm going to start making some that go from about here to about here, so about maybe 2 feet is a little bit too big for them. And plant some early crop like lettuce or carrots or something, or maybe beans, and then squash, or carrots and tomatoes. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Bye.